Namaskar children, today we will learn about early humans. A long years ago, the people who lived were known as early humans. They were very different from the modern humans. Their food habits, clothes and tools were not developed. They used to live in caves and forests. They ate raw fruits, roots, soft stems, and the flesh of wild animals. At that time, they did not know how to cook food and ate whatever was available in the forest. Many times they had to move from one place to another in search of food. Early humans felt the need of tools for the purpose of hunting wild animals and for digging out plants. The first weapon that the early humans made was a club. Then sharper weapons were made, which included axe heads, hammers, and choppers. Later, it was realized that if a stone was tied to a long piece of wood, it could be thrown at an animal. This helped them to hunt animals without going near them. In the beginning, early humans did not wear clothes. Later on, they started covering their body with the skin of animals and barks of trees or leaves. The early humans did not cook their food. In fact, they did not know how to make fire. One day, while striking two stones together, they saw sparks coming out. This led to the discovery of fire. Gradually, they learned that animals were afraid of it. So, they began to light fire every night to keep the wild animals away. Later, they also used fire to cook their food. Thus, fire became man's best friend. At first, the early humans needed to roam around in search of food. They did not know how to grow their own food. Later, they observed that a seed which had been thrown in the soil had grown into a plant. After this, they began to plant seeds to achieve similar results. When the seeds, after a period of time, grew into plants, early humans learned to grow their own food. After farming, early humans started taming or domesticating animals like dogs, cows, goats, bullocks, horses, etc. Dog was perhaps the first animal to be tamed. It was used for guarding homes and fields, cows and goats for milk and meat, horses for riding, bullocks for plowing the field and carrying heavy loads. After learning the art of farming and plowing the field, early humans built shelters with bamboo, stones, and skin of animals for themselves. Settled lifestyle led to the rise of villages or community and a common language as means of communication. Settled life also gave early humans some free time for entertainment like dancing, singing, storytelling, and painting. Early humans used to draw figures of animals or scenes of hunting on the walls of caves. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is an example of prehistoric cave paintings in India. Early humans made their houses near rivers and lakes so that they could easily get water to cook food, to grow crops, and fulfill their other needs. One day, early humans saw logs of wood floating on water in rivers. This inspired them to make rafts and boats of wood to cross the rivers. By this, water transportation made traveling easy for early humans. Traveling on land was very difficult. Early humans made sledges on which they placed the load and pulled it themselves and by animals. But it was still difficult to pull the sledge over rough and uneven ground. Later, this task became easier when they realized that the trunks of trees placed under a sledge could make the movement of a sledge easier and faster. So, they cut small, round blocks of wood and placed them under the sledges. This led to the invention of the wheel. Later on, early humans invented the potter's wheel. It was used for making pots with clay. Wheels also came to be used for spinning and weaving. The invention of wheel completely changed the life of the early humans. This was a little about the early humans. Later we will know much about them. Till then, thank you and namaskar.